Okay, we're going to use number lines to demonstrate multiplying, okay? So my first number line, I go from 0 to 4, or 14. 0 to 14, and I'm counting by ones. And the multiplication problem that I want to represent using my number line is going to be 2 times 6. That is 2 groups of 6, okay? 2 groups of 6. So my first jump has to have 6. So 2 groups would be, this is 1, because that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did 6 jumps. That is my first group. And then I'm going to do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I would land on 12. So this is what this looks like of 2 groups times 6. Now, if I wanted to do 6 groups of 2, my jumps are going to be a little bit smaller, but I'm going to land in the same spot. And I'm just going to do it in a different color. So if I want to do 6 groups of 2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the same problem. You have the same factors, 2 and 6, and then here you have 6 and 2. You get the same product, but your number line looks a little bit different. Because this top one, you have 6 groups of 2 in each group, and this bottom one, you have 2 groups of 6 in each group. So that's important to understand when you're doing your number line, okay? So I'm going to do this next one. This next one, I want to do 5 times 4. So I want to do 5 times 4. That is 5 groups of 4. 5 groups of 4. So I go from 0 to 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm counting by 2s on this number line. Okay, so you're not going to have 4 little small jumps in between. You're only going to have 2 because you're counting by 2s, and I want groups of 4. So that's 1 group of 4. And then here would be 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 groups of 4. I can also do 4 times 5. I had to go in and add a couple more tick marks, okay? But now I can do 4 times 5, which is 4 groups of 5 in each group. 4 groups of 5. So this is 2, 4. This is going to be 5. Then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my jumps look different because I have a different number of groups and a different size of groups, but my product is going to be the same. So here's a little, again, just reviewing this. This is what it looks like to multiply using number lines, and I did the same 2 factors and I demonstrated them in different ways.